Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to log into tofro.com. For that, first of all, open your web browser and search for tofro.com. Once you are on Tofro, you will see the register now option here in the home page. So if you don't have an account on Tofro, you can just use the invitation code that is given in the description, or you will also be able to see it on the home screen. Now provide your email address and verify it. Create a strong password for your account and use this invitation code. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on the register option. Now once your registration is successful, now is the time to log in into your account. For that, tap on the login option here in the top right hand corner. Enter the same email address that you have used to create your account here. Provide a strong password for your account. Then tap on this remember my password option so that you don't need to provide this detail again and again. Then tap on the login option over here, and this way you will be able to log in into your tofro.com account. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.